So let's just say the Chase Sexton injury, non-injury, what it is situation keeps getting weirder. Now, obviously, we still haven't heard pretty much anything from what the injury is, how bad it could be, whatever, because the only thing we've gotten from him is a post on Instagram saying, I'm sore and beat up and I won't be back until I'm 100%, which, whatever that means. That's about as ambiguous as possible. That could be, what? A week, that could be 2 months, that could be the whole season. It doesn't make much sense. And obviously the team had blah 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 blah, said we don't want him back until he's 100%. Then we had this the other day from Lewis Phillips saying that he might be back for Southwick, or that he's hearing he's back for Southwick. Again, no response, no PR response, no idea what the injury is, just this. Chase Sexton, that's incorrect. We have no information. This is a guy who's a returning champion, a defending champion, should be one of the top 3 guys in this class, should be challenging Eli Tomac and Jet Lawrence for this title. And what is he doing? Not racing. Do we know why? Not a clue. There's no reasoning. There's no information, and it baffles me that this sport can run like this. If it's some privateer at the bottom end, or some guy who's finishing 20th, fine, whatever. It's not. I don't want to say it's not the biggest deal in the world, but it's it's not life-changing for the series. But if you're telling the defending champion, the guy with the one plate on a factory ride, big sponsors, big team, big money, and we know absolutely nothing about why. Now, the actual quote on his Instagram being, "With that being said, I will not be racing this weekend," that being Hangtown for the last round, "and am going to get back to 100% before returning." So who knows? Is this just a mental thing? Is this him having problems getting up for the races? He's thinking he's going to lose already, he has some sort of mental block, or is this a major injury to his shoulder, or who knows? It baffles me that a top guy and a top team, we've had no information about it. And I get it, these people are secretive. There is absolutely no surprise that injury information is hard to find or not out there. I mean, it's not a new thing. I mean, look how many of these guys get hurt and you don't hear anything until they have a bad race, and then they say, "Oh, well, actually, it's because of this." It doesn't make any sense to me how a sport can run where the top guys give you absolutely no reasoning or no idea when they'll be back, how long they'll be back. I mean, you look at football. Well, this guy has, this injury. He's going to be out for this long, and it's out 2 days after it's, found out, or after the injury occurs. His Instagram post was 5 days ago. And that's the only thing we've heard. We're almost, we're going to be 2 weeks into this thing, and we've absolutely no idea what's going on, why, how long it's going to take, if he's even going to be back for this series. I mean, it's a series of rumors of them saying, one thing, him saying I'll be back when I'm 100%, then the rumors come out about Southwick or Redbud, or now it's, him responding to some tweet saying that's incorrect, but giving no information or no further news of why. I don't get it, man. It baffles me. I mean, he might just say, "Hey, do you know what? I don't like this KTM anymore. I'm going to go to a different team next year. I'm just going to take the summer off," and that could be it. He might just be having a mental reset and saying, "Screw this. I don't like this bike. I don't want to run it for the summer." And I don't know. That's what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to any outdoor rounds? Do you think he'll be back for any of these outdoor rounds? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.